After so many requests on this topic, I'm finally making this video for you. Today I'm going to show you some worship grooves in a simple and practical way. If you play in church or you want to improve your feel in this style, this is going to help you a lot. A lot of the time this kind of grooves are played on the drum kit using toms and floor toms to create that deep and flowing texture. So what I've done is take those same ideas and adapt them to the cajon, using the bass tones to recreate that vibe in an acoustic setting. But before we jump in, make sure you download the free PDF with the notation of the lesson. The link is in the description and it's really going to help you follow along step by step and get the most out of the video. Go ahead and download it now. And make sure to stick around until the end, because these grooves can seriously take your worship playing to the next level. So let's get started. First, I'm going to show you the grooves with music in a real playing situation so you can hear how they sound. Then we will break them down and practice the patterns slowly with the metronome at 50 BPM. Take your time with this part and make sure everything feels comfortable. After that, you can gradually increase the tempo until you are ready to play along with the 85 BPM backing track, the music I've included in the video. So let's go to it. Groove number 1. Now slow, let's learn the pattern You and Me at 50 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you feel comfortable with the groove, let's try with the music. Groove number 2. Now let's learn the pattern slow at 50 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can try with the music. As I said before, if it's too fast for you, you stop the video and practice the groove, increasing the tempo until you feel ready. Then, when you feel comfortable, come back and try with the music. If you feel comfortable, let's go with the music. Now groove number 3. Let's learn the groove slow at 50 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now with the music. Let's go! Cajon players and cajon enthusiasts, I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I hope you will visit cajonmaster.com to watch more lessons like this one. And if you want to start learning cajon from the very beginning, you can sign up now for my free starter crash course. The link is below. Don't forget to hit the like button and of course subscribe to the channel if you didn't yet subscribe. It helps a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you soon in the next one.